The real Grinch isn't green. He's brown, lays, and loves Christmas lights. He took the internet's advice to touch grass literally. Forget Netflix. This live action lesson of the day. Goat herding is no walk in the park. Help me! When boss said to put a double shift. Without a doubt, the fridge door is the summoning bell for today.
My name is Jeff.
Me trying to lift my buddy's mood ends up sparking rage.
This isn't laziness, it's advanced problem solving in motion. Want to hear the sound of angels, guys? That moment when your cat takes your feet as an invitation for a wild dance-off.
She'll be my squishy. Come here, squishy. Come here, little squishy.
Fez essas coisas todas. Eu queria saber.
When your boss
There.
Yo vine. Fue a esto.
your chance of being killed by a mouse is low.
Can we go this way? Oh.
Some call it a water break. Cal calls it moments of zen. Is it 2016 again? These guys are bringing back the memo. Sharing is caring.
帮主人放羊了啊！赶他，赶他！
Calls me Bobby.
The reason why Santa's naughty list was always started with a C letter name.
Oh. Hi.
Too many times. I don't know what to believe.
No way. This professional clown anymore? It's not a mistake. And that is how you spell teleport.
Yo, where'd you disappear to, buddy?
Unbelievable and unacceptable. He didn't even use the self-checkout.
But never zero.
Oh my god!
POV, visiting grandma and getting loaded up on snacks.
Whoa. Forget Netflix. This live action. Sir, I polished your shoes. Please pay in tuna.
Me trying to wrap my head around.
This only happens when the meat. Me enjoying my coffee before it gets cold.
Pace it away.
Quickly, guys.
¿Por qué hiciste del baño otra vez? Acabo de limpiar y ya andas de pinche.
Guys, swinging shoes is a
Can't tell if this turtle is trying to.
aren't intruding. They're the new homeowners association. Me trying to act calm after spilling some hot tea. Tired of stiff clothes? Add fur for ultimate softness. Home is where your droppings are, apparently. That dancing is a sign of excitement or social bonding, my friends.
Turns out it's not only dog.
Who would like coffee?
Yes!
Your feline supervisor is on duty. Just make sure everything is Puppy is my productivity killer. I had plans. Now all I have is puppy love.
I'm gonna go this way, okay?
When your enthusiasm exceeds your coordination.
What's your pet?
If joy were a race, this yak just broke the sound barrier.
Oh no! Easy does it, guys!
Oh.
What are we gonna? Whoa!
Home is where your droppings are, apparently.
Me failing at staying awake during class. POV, visiting grandma and getting loaded up on snacks.
Oh no. Easy does it, guys.
You have a smooth brain. No ridges or lumps or valleys or bumps.
This puma is stalking her prey. When you were born a dog, but always dreamed of being a tire. It's Birash. Either way, where do they find all that energy? Your dog is clearly running a high-end toy rental service. Everyone deserves to be warmed, even the light bulbs.
What are we gonna? What?
Possesses PhDs in food heists. Someone call 911. Floor? Messy? Not me. I've been living on the couch for weeks.
This guy's got some sick moves, man.
I don't like this cramped room anymore. I need to go find a rabbit. It's just Mr. Red Ball. Vulture is like, who are you? Do you mind?
A bloop.
Me trying to lift my buddy's mood ends up sparking rage.
That's going a bit far.
Promise you this. I'll always look out for you. That's what I'll do.
Maximus Decimus Meridius.
My name is Jeff.
He took the internet's advice to touch grass literally. This is the secret. Sharing is caring.
When your boss
Smooth brain. No ridges or lumps or valleys or bumps.
In a world where everyone chases sticks, the boy
charming and hilarious moments. Goodbye and see you soon.
You better not roll. Barry, what is he doing?
Guess who's not winning any foot races today? Spoiler alert, it's you. Guys, swinging shoes is
None of the other chickens are ever gonna believe you, dude.
What's your pet?
Me failing at staying awake during class.
Camera shy? No, maybe on this side.
Alejandro González, María Lucia Mendoza, Macarena Chipotle, Tapatio con queso, guacamole Ferreira Santiago.
when your enthusiasm exceeds your coordination. If joy were a race, this yak just broke the sound barrier. The donkey is like, "Are these hot dogs yelling at me?"
Good morning.
When boss said to put a double shift. Is he a...
Hello?
Why the new guy thinks he's alpha material. This isn't laziness, it's advanced problem solving in motion. Nothing beats a refreshing drink on a hot day.
Are you making a bed up there?
Forget fancy beds. This cat just found a... Guess who didn't ask for a life?
It's taking the cheese, Dave. It's taking the cheese. Vicious felonies are members of an elite squad known as the Special Victims Unit. These are their stories.
Life on a farm, where happiness is a plentiful clucking and hugs.
This is how my life's going. By the way, I'm the fish.
Us. Either way, where do they find all that energy? Everyone deserves to be warmed, even the light bulbs.
Learning the hard way that dogs and the beach are a wild mix.
Finally, some recognition for my TED Talk on fish economics.
But never zero.
Possesses PhDs in food heists. Someone call 911.
Don't you hate it when you forget how to walk?
Your boss calls it slacking, but Doggo calls it work-life balance. Entertaining. when you're small but mighty, just not mighty enough for that stuff. O'clock.
A bloop. In New York City, the dedicated detective.
Don't you hate it when you forget how to walk?
Who needs a leash when you have a bestie? Zoomy level?
He's gonna. Loki, whisper. Yes, good boy. Good boy.
This is her first time with a big leaf pile.
The pile's big, but the vibe
Right off. Like a water slide.
Before growing up, we're all hyped like a mini Kathy.
Who would like coffee?
Yes!
Life on a farm, where happiness is a plentiful clucking and hugs. Entertaining.
How to get away with anything. Being cute. Can't tell if this turtle is trying to.
Whee! Whee! Let's see if this button activates the zoomies. Mom, I feel like a gold.
It's Black Friday, and you gotta grab that last thing real quick.
Mom, look! One more bounce and I can fly! O'clock. She's not just a dog, she's a graceful gazelle. Lesson of the day. Goat herding is no walk in the park.
Yo vine. Fue a esto.
Where are?
The manager will hear about this. I bet this goat has a second job as a stand-up comedian. Escape room level, buddy edition.
People be like, you always look good.
Curly lip, don't trip. Indeed.
It's taking the cheese, Shane. It's taking the cheese.
Is it 2016 again? These guys are bringing back the memo. It's happy hour, and this lemur must be on his 5th banana tequila.
Are you making a bed up there?
Forget fancy beds. This cat just found a Even Pele had to start somewhere, right? Whoa. I bet this goat has a second job as a stand-up comedian. Face when they said bacon is a kind of veggies.
They're eating the pets of the people that live.
See? Yes. There's no heater in there now. It's not spicy anymore.